You may want to consider over-the-counter hearing aids. Now, these were sent to me at no charge for this review, and I've reviewed a lot of hearing aids. Some are far better than others, and what I would have to say about these is that you've got a lot of different options with these, and it's going to improve the quality of your hearing. And when you improve the quality of your hearing, you're also going to improve the quality of your life. Now, let me show you these close up. So I want to take a minute to show these to you close up and talk about what options they have available for you. So we'll start with the charging case first. And on the bottom of the charging case, you're going to see 4 LED lights, which is 25, 50, 75, and 100% fully charged. And then on each of the hearing aids, they do have their own indicator light to let you know when they are fully charged as well. Inside, these are color coordinated, so you got your right and your left, and then you've also got a little drying box up here on top. Now for the hearing aids themselves, these are really small and almost invisible when you place them into your ear. So what you're going to have here on the bottom side here is a button. Now this button is going to allow you to go through 9 different levels of volume, and it's just going to be a quick press. You'll also see this right here, and this is so you can pull the hearing aid out of your ear. And also, if you were to long press this, you've got 3 different modes, which is going to be indicated by 3 different beeps. You do have your charging prongs here. So this is going to be your microphone, your charging prongs, and your earpiece removal right there. And your silicone covers are to be cleaned on a regular basis. If you're asking people to repeat themselves, if you're constantly turning up the TV, or if you're missing out on the sounds of nature, you might want to go ahead and give these a try. They're worth checking out.